spicy gang, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel, the channel where we spice love or love spice through food, a lot of food, games and lifestyle. They call me Gertrude, but you can call me GT if you're there. Today I want us to cook our dinner with you from this. I have this marinated chicken here. I'd marinated it since morning, and you're going to cook chicken popcorns. So let's cut this meat together. I'm just taking it back to the bowl where it came from to just cook on the sauces that was left there. Now cut them into small sizes or popcorn like sizes, but not too small, just this kind of size. It's a good size. I'm going to be serving this chicken popcorn two-way. It's honey garlic chicken popcorn two-way. I'm going to be eating with my vegetables. Like you can see here, I have cauliflower, I have carrots, and I have green beans and peas, which are boiled there. And I'm also going to be making onion rings. So I don't think I'm going to show you the whole process, but anyway, stick around. We shall make a decision when we get there. It's quite very late, but right now it's around 8 p.m. though the person who would make me worry has already eaten. So yeah, though we don't like eating so late, we have made it a habit. We're supposed to be eating right now. I was sidetracked by time. So our chicken breast is cut into pieces. I'll put this aside and wash my hands. Take my bowl. In this bowl, I'm going to be putting a cup of gram flour. This actually is not a cup. This is 2/3 of a cup. Just like that, because you can see our meat is not too much. So I'm going to be putting 2/3 of a cup curry powder, paprika, a bit of salt, and some black pepper. I'm going to mix this up together nicely. And then bring in my meat. Once they're well coated, I'll take them out. Put them back here. I'm dusting off the excess flour. Put them back here. And then I'm going to introduce a little of water in this dish. Just a little water, because I don't want to wash out the flour. I just want to introduce a little water so that you can put them back on the flour. You see, just like that. Not too much water. That's how I want them. Once they're all fried, I take them back to my fryer and then dust them again with this flour. Make sure they all get the fryer again. This is what I'm going for. See, they're all now yet again dusted with flour, and then I pick one by one and deep fry them. Let me wash my hands. Now that I've washed my hands, I'll clear this table and then you can go. No, I want to take them away because I'm coming back to use them for my onion rings. Let's first go make the popcorns. Go in with cookies. go in with my onion rings. As the chicken was cooking, I was making my onion ring batter. This I just made with a 2/3 of cup, just like the way I made the flour to coat the chicken. That's the way I have made the flour to make the onion rings, and only added in water directly, like you can see. And now I'm going to be dipping it here in this flour mix, and then dropping it into my oil, just like that. I'll take an onion ring, drop it into the flour, and then drop it into the oil. Like I said, I'll be making onion rings, and I'll also be making vegetable mix, just like that. And drop. Finish off the chicken and go in with some butter, and you let them melt. I'm using the Daima unsalted butter. We let that melt off. Once it's all melted off, you go in with crushed garlic. Take that off until it can stir it, you can smell it, and the neighbor knows that you're cooking some garlic. Yeah, once you see it changing its color, you go in with your soy sauce, your light soy sauce. That is a third of a cup. A third of a cup. Then you go in with your sugar. This is just 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it until it's all melted and dissolved into the soy sauce. That will balance the tanginess of the soy sauce. And then you go in with your honey. So I'm using 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of honey, and just an additional. Then stir that in. At this point, you test your nini to see if that's the kind of tangy and sweet you want. And mine is good. So I'm going to cook them down. I'm going to cook the sauce down. The butter gives this sauce a good taste. I like it. So let's simmer it down as we stir. As it simmers down, the thickness changes. And when it has simmered down, this is after maybe 2 to 3 minutes. And you can see its thickness getting thicker, and it's taking time to get back together. Like when you draw the line there, it's getting time to get back together. You go in with the chicken. Go in with your chicken. and stir them in to make them well coated. I'll let it sit here for a minute so that even the chicken can warm up as I prepare where I'm going to serve them. Guys, like you can see, the chicken has soaked in this sauce, and I'm sure it is warm now. You can see how thick it has gotten, so I'm going to get them out. Yeah, in the same pan, I'll go in with some butter. Melt that down. Once it's melted down, I'll go in with my carrots. Cauliflower. Green beans and minji. And green beans and what is this called? And peas. Yes. And then I'm going to toss them up together. I had deep fried my veggies, so they are already ready. I'm only doing this so that I can put in salt and flavor them. Sometimes some black pepper. That's what I'm going to be putting in my veggies. And they're ready, guys. Let's have them. So here's the outcome of my onion rings, my chicken popcorn, honey garlic chicken popcorn, and my veggies. I'm not sure if you saw my chicken popcorns. This is honey garlic chicken popcorn, so let's have. It's sticky, of course, because of the honey and sugar, guys. And here we go in with the onion rings. You can see how good they are. honey garlic popcorn, chicken popcorn, and onion rings. In this plate we go with honey garlic and our veggies. Here is my plate: honey garlic, chicken popcorn, and my veggies. So guys, here's how my dinner turned out.